we are gathered over here for
बीच में स्नैप लेनी तो कैसे लेते हैं?
सर यहाँ
अच्छा ठीक है, बीच बीच में
it's
500
not
ले लेना,
career
बाकी
for which we
रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही
need
है।
guidance.
थोड़ा सा पीछे तक सर्दी आ जाएंगी।
How to lead a
हाँ
happy,
बस ये ठीक है।
contented and purposeful life, we always need the guidance and counseling. Generally, we don't have the right approach towards what we are doing. Like, if we are in classes, sometimes we feel burdened, sometimes we feel that we are getting bored. But you know, it is the most significant place, it is the most significant time when you are sitting in your classrooms. When you enter into the classroom, you are empty-handed. You have no idea about particular concept of chemistry, physics and mathematics. And during the class session, you learn a lot. And when you go back, when you return back, many topics are crystal clear to you. So these are the classes which makes you valuable. Classes make you valuable. Otherwise we are nothing. So we should have the right approach, the purposeful approach towards our life. Not only students have little bit defected approach, rather we teachers also have sometimes defected approach. Suppose as a teacher, I am coming to teach you, I am going to a class and I have prepared my lecture from some book. Generally we do like that, we prepare our lecture from the book and that book is 2018 edition, 2019 edition. Then what will happen? Our lecture will be according to 2018 concept. And suppose, let us take an example of this career counseling session. Now I have come to you, I will discuss about career counseling, career guidance, and obviously I might have prepared some topic for you, but suppose any student out of you have opened the internet and studied about career counseling, then he might be knowing more than me, because I have prepared according to 2018 concept from a book of 2018 edition, and you have prepared online from the internet and you have a recent concept. You might be knowing more than me. This is called digitization and globalization. Each and everything you have in digital format, in PDF format, PPT format. So it's not that it's an alarming signal for the students only. The present scenario is also alarming for the teachers. Teachers should also be crystal clear, updated about the concept which he is going to teach in the classroom. So, as per the digital concept of digitization and globalization, you can read out what is happening in Japan, what type of research on cancer is being carried out in Japan, in USA, from the internet, from the Google search only. So, not only we have to be vigilant about our career Rather, we should have a proper approach how to lead a purposeful life. Generally, it is said that if we are not happy, if we are not feeling contented, then it directly means that we have a wrong approach towards our life. Then we should change our lifestyle. We should change our psychology. So whenever you are sitting in your classes, kindly think of it that we are not here by force. We are not attending the classes for just attendance. We are here to get the knowledge. We are here to get the third eye. You know, education is the third eye, but all of us have two eyes. So I will let you know how the education is the third eye. Now, I think we have to change our psychology, and every change which is for the betterment, that should always be welcome. For example, we got our education policy, first education policy in 1968. Then second education policy in 1986. And now we are having National Education Policy 2020. And as per this education policy, students are at more freedom. Students are at more liberty. For example, after plus 2 class, initially, according to the previous education policies, you were having the choice either medical or non-medical, etc. But now, as per your choice, you can select chemistry along with history, chemistry along with physical education, physics along with music, and anything or any subject, whatever you want. So this is the liberty for the students. And I think each and everything meant for liberty and freedom. We enjoy freedom and liberty always. And there is more liberty in the way that after plus 2, when you join undergraduation classes, you can leave after doing your first year. Otherwise, first year, second year, and final, you have to qualify to get the degree. But now, according to new education policy, you can leave just after attending first year in graduation. For that, you will get diploma. And if you will